Hello from Slovenia again. I have this 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas here, and I have just some metallic paints. This is DecoArt Extreme Sheen Antique Copper, Antique Bronze, and I have this Cadence metallic copper, and I have 24 karat gold and pearl white, and this is mostly it, and of course my black, and my black is thinner than other paints, and I will just try to add some paints here and a little black, and I will try to blow this out. Just I don't know if this will work or not. Let's see. So I will just, maybe my paint is way too thick. Some pearl white. Just playing. And let's add some of this antique bronze. I don't even know if I have enough base down. I will add more white and some gold, just going one on top of each other, I don't know. And let's add some white, definitely. Again, pearl white and copper. And I will just pour some black here. Oop. And of course here, because I want to blow this black over those colors. I don't know how this will turn out, but just want to try. Hairdryer. And as I said, my paint is quite thick. Okay, and where is my mini blow dryer? Or maybe I will just blow with the straw. I'll just add a little black here. Where I want to blow a little more. I didn't have enough paint, obviously, on the for the base. We'll just turn it around. have to find some black paint mixed. Just hope that I wasn't off the camera. I really hope for a little more lacing. I have a lot of lacing here, but not as much. I love this part, really do. I have some black paint somewhere. I have. Just add a little water. And definitely need more black here. And more here. Turn this around again. And a little more here. I don't know if this black was the same black that I have there. Let's see. No, it's not. A lot of interesting things, but I have to wash my hands a little bit. I'm out of gloves. I will get them today, I hope. I really don't like this white here. I want to have black here, not those white dots. And of course this will level out while drying, so will be okay. Let's torch this. I like this part where I blow out with the low, on the low more. so because I like this blending of this copper and gold. Not so crazy about that. Here again some really nice details, and I'm quite sure that it will dry nice because of all those metallic paints. So, whoops, sorry for my hand. Let me take you for a close-up. Let's start with this part that it's my favorite. Don't know if you see those blending colors together with some amazing lacing. Really like that. And a lot of lacing here. And here. See? But there are some places that, oops, have to say that I'm not so crazy about. This is one part that I really liked too. This is the place that I have the most problems with, or how can I say? This part here probably is the, but still I think that it's kind of cool, so I will definitely leave it to dry to see how this metallics will dry. So pretty sure that they will dry really nice. And of course I should thin them down, but when I grab this canvas and pour the base, I was thinking to do a swipe, and then I just changed my mind and grab a blow dryer, hair dryer. So that's how my mind works. In the last minute I changed my mind, but still a lot of gorgeous details. I will probably try it again with just metallics and try to blow it out like I did it here on the low heat, because I like this part, no low heat, low power, the most probably. So this is it for today. Tell me what you think about it. Should I keep it, or I will not scrape it, but I can pour over when it will be dry. And see you on the next one. Bye.